Hello LinkedIn community, this is Lenny from Kaizen Initiatives. I recently had the opportunity to go to Atlanta, Canada to help out a couple of collision centers, develop their systems, empower their people, and increase their profit through our BodyShop BootCamp program. One of the shops was CSN Dana's Collision located in Fredericton, New Brunswick. I want you to hear what Dana Alexander and his daughter Shelley had to say about our 2-day boot camp and what impact it's having on their organization.
The biggest challenge we're facing within our company is getting everyone pulling in the same direction. I think it's going to help us move our company forward, take some of the chaos out of the process and make it just a better run company, better run business. And maybe we can move this company to the next level. That's what really my goal is, to move this company just one notch better than what we are right now.
I think it'll make me trust that there are people there to support me, even though sometimes it may not feel that way, and that I can trust myself that I can support them too.
I think it would benefit any CSN shop to do this. I think it would benefit any business to do this. It'll help bring out ideas and suggestions and ways of engaging our people better and moving our company forward or moving their company forward. I think it's a great opportunity for anyone.